Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Natalie, the EdTech Wizard. Welcome back. I am here to help you become the best online teacher you can be. I would love to help you, so thank you for watching my videos. In today's video, we are going to talk about that picture you see and have to upload with your class listings. How to make an eye-catching epic picture. First, let's talk about the requirements. What do your pictures need to have? First, no words, numbers, or letters in your picture. This is because the ad system the computer uses to push your classes out in the Facebook ads does not like the pictures and words and numbers, and it messes with the computer and they won't advertise your classes right. So this one is very, very important. Not that you can't add them, but you don't want to add them so your classes can be advertised correctly. Next, copyright. You need to find copyright-free images. And I will talk about the sites I use. And then last, your pictures need to be high quality. I don't have a grainy photo or a very dark photo. High quality, good lighting if you take your own photos. So let's jump into the tools I use. I use a site called Canva, and it is free. There is a paid version as well, but the free version will do exactly what you need it to do. So I use Canva, and I also use a site called Pixabay. Pixabay is a site full of images, free images that you can use. You can download and upload to create your images. So let's jump on to Canva and I will show you how to create a picture, how to use the tools, and create an eye-popping, eye-catching image. Let's go. So first things first, you need to create an account with Canva if you don't have one already. So go ahead, log in, make an account. Remember, it is free and the best free tool you will find. So go ahead and click or create an account, and it will bring you to this home page. So with this home page, you have a whole bunch of design templates. Like here are my design templates already. Templates for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, logos, anything you could want. There are already templates out there for you to use. A lot of free pictures, which I will get into. And like I mentioned earlier, I do use this for my own Instagram posts sometimes. When I have like a sale for my Teachers Pay Teachers or Etsy shop, this is what I use to create those pictures. But for our purpose today, you are going to go up to this search bar and you need to type in Facebook ad. This will give you, and click enter, this will give you the template size that you need, the correct size for the Outschool picture. That way it is cutting off the minimal amount of your picture. Again, there are a ton of templates here. The options are really limitless on what you can do, but we are going to click on the blank one because we need to find our own unique picture for our classes. So here's your blank canvas. What you're going to do is look at the buttons on the side. We have uploads. These are pictures you have uploaded. So if you find a picture from a different site, you will find it under this upload button. Photos. This button is all the photos here in Canva that for you to use. Some are free and some are not free. So it looks like these ones are free, but they have a little crown down in the right hand corner that looks like this. Those pictures are not free. You can upgrade your account and then you can get those pictures. but you will be able to find everything you need with the free version, so that's up to you. And then there are elements. These can help you get creative with your pictures. If you want to add a shape to your picture or frame your picture, grid, different frames for your picture. If you want to add in a kind of like a vector graphic, I think these are called. And we don't need to use this, but there are tons of options. Here are some more pictures. If you want to use these types of pictures, you can add text to your pictures, but we are not going to add text today for our Outschool class purposes. But if you ever use this for your Instagram or your Facebook, there are texts that you can add, or you can add your own text and choose your own font. There's music. We don't need to add music. You can add in even videos and create a short video here on Canva. This is different backgrounds that you can pick for your canvas, so it will make this whole canvas background, and then you can add pictures on top of that. And then folders, I have not used anything in here, obviously. Okay, so we are going back up to, let's delete this so we can start fresh. So let's say we have a class about writing. We're writing and our topic is about bugs. Well, that's kind of fun. So I am going to type in here, I need to find a bug picture. And it pops up with a whole bunch of bugs. You're going to scroll through and pick the one you like. See the crowns here? Those ones are not free. But there are some free ones that we can find. So I like this butterfly one. And it pops it right in there for me. So and then I can resize it if I want. There we go. And I can stretch it. Now when I'm doing this, you can tell it's keeping my picture in proportion for me, which I love, but it also is cutting some off. So you'll have to play around with that. I'm fine with that because I can still see my picture. Now I can absolutely leave my class picture just like this. I'm writing about bugs and I have a beautiful picture of a bug or an insect that we are writing about or researching. But what if I want to add something else? Maybe a writing paper. So both of those are right there side by side. I'm just going to type in paper and see what we get. I like this one with the lines. I like this one for us to use. There we go, writing paper. Maybe I want to switch these pictures around though and make the paper my background and the bug my smaller on my picture. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make this smaller, just kind of get it out of the way. So now I can use this one. I need to select this one. And you can tell I can't find those white dots right here to adjust it. So if that happens, if you ever make your picture bigger, you have to double click on it. Then I can find those white dots and make it smaller again. And as you can see, I can't really adjust it, but that's okay. We are just going to delete that picture and start over. I'm going to input it again, so the way I want it, because I couldn't get it to work the way I wanted. That's okay. So we're going to search bug again. Find my butterfly picture. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to make it a little bigger, and I actually like this because I have the writing paper in the background and the butterfly picture is still pretty big, so everyone will know exactly what I'm writing about when they see my picture goes along with my title. And I like that you can adjust it, make it bigger however you would like. Okay, I like this, but I'm going to show you, I also use 2 other sites to find pictures, because sometimes maybe you don't like the pictures you find on Canva. So there are 2 more sites you can look for, and they are, we're going to go to Pixabay, Pixabay.com, and this site is full of free images for you to use commercially. So Pixabay, this is what the home screen looks like. You do not need to create an account with Pixabay. You'll be able to use full pictures. So I'm going to type in a bug again. Hey, look, there's our picture again. Oh, maybe I like this one, so I'm going to click on it. I like it. Now this part right here, Pixabay license, is the part that is going to tell you it's free for commercial use. That means I am okay to use it. If it's not okay, it will tell you right here in this box. I have not found very many that say I cannot use it. I occasionally, most of them are free for commercial use. So I really like this one. I'm going to download it, and I always just click download and I leave it at the selected size. Download. It's going to pop up with this button. If I do not create an account, you will have to click I'm not a robot to download every time. If you create a free account, it just skips this step. So it is downloading. I'm going to go back to my picture. I'm going to change this picture out for my new one. So how I'm going to now find the picture I just downloaded, I'm going to go to Uploads and click this blue box, Upload an Image. And it's going to pop up where my Downloads button, and here's my picture. I'm just going to click on it, open it, and it will pop it right in here. And then you click on it and it will show up on my picture. Ta-da! So it's very, very easy to use. Another thing I really like about Pixabay is this option right here. You have photos, and then you can also choose vector graphics or illustrations. So if I chose vector graphics, it makes like a cartoon or drawing of what I'm searching, which can be kind of fun as well. So I like this one. That might be fun to add. Free download. I'm not a robot. Now let's see how this looks. Upload. Here's my picture. Open. Oh, I like, so for this picture, you can tell it has a transparent background, which I really like, because then you don't get that box, that white box around your image. It's just a image just like that. So maybe for your picture you really like that, and you can make a background. If we add a new page for this background and add it again, maybe you just like the way this looks for your class picture. That's up to you. There are so many possibilities. You could just get to play around with what you think you like and what will catch the attention of your parents. I really like the Realia pictures because this picture is beautiful. It is of high quality, it's clear, and it's going to stand out among pictures. I really like it. Another site I use is Unsplash, and this one is on, I've seen it on Outschool. When you click on upload a picture, Unsplash comes right up there, and you can search for a picture right there. So I'm going to click for bug. Unsplash has beautiful pictures. Beautiful pictures. I mean, look at this ant. That definitely is an eye-catching picture, especially this bug right here with those colors. I like this one. So just download it. With Unsplash, these are all, they should be all free for commercial use. Free for you to use. I'm going to switch out this image for this one. I just found, there it is. Ta-da! We'll add it to my picture. So, Unsplash is all Realia pictures, beautiful pictures that you can find. Pixabay has these vector graphics as well as photos, beautiful photos for you to use. Really, really close up. Oh, the quality is good, good for you to use. So I'm going to add this one to my project. I really like this one. I think that will do well. Definitely something for students to look at. So I'm to this step now. I like where I'm at, so I'm going to download this. I keep it as PNG. I'm just going to download the first page. You will only have one page. I'm going to download. And then I can upload it to Outschool. Once you have downloaded this image, you are ready to go. You're ready to upload it into your class. I am so glad you could learn about Canva with me. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. This is a wonderful site, one I use all the time. I use it to upload pictures to Outschool. I use it for Instagram, even Instagram stories. Anything I want to create, I use it all the time. It is amazing. So I hope you have learned something new and that now you can start creating some eye-catching images. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video, if it was helpful. If you know of any other sites that you use, sites that have free images, put them in the comments. I would love to know more about them and look and research them up. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know when more tips and tricks come your way. Bye.